In the last and final part of our Guizhou trip, we are making our way to Fangxiang Township, located in the beautiful Leishan County of Guizhou Province. We hopped on a car from Kaili train station, which is the closest city, and made a 2-hour drive up to Fangxiang in the mountains of Leishan, passing through small, quaint villages along the way. Fangxiang is a small, rural township with a population of around 7,000 people. It's known for its picturesque natural scenery, including lush forests, winding rivers, and rolling hills. This area is home to the Miao ethnic minority group, and their unique culture and traditions are a major draw for visitors. Now here's a pro tip for you. You will most likely be staying in a homestay, so be sure to ask the owner to take you on the mountain hike to go and see the amazing waterfall. We spent one night at the Upper Fangxiang village at a lovely homestay run by a small family. On the second day, we made our way down to the midsection of the mountain and stayed in this beautiful small hotel overlooking the rice paddies. The local economy in Fangxiang is primarily based on agriculture, with crops such as rice, corn, and wheat being grown in the fertile soil. Many locals work in the fields, tending to their crops and selling their produce at the markets in town. It's a way of life that has been passed down through generations and continues to thrive in this community. It's truly amazing seeing all of these small villages high up in the clouds hugging the sides of these mountains. Being in the mountains, there is no shortage of a hiking trail or even walking through rice paddies. Locals even farm fish in these paddies as a way to keep out insects from disturbing the rice growing. Our hotel was amazing, keeping true to local Miao ethnic architecture with an added luxury of modern amenities. This made our stay extra memorable. If you're looking for an authentic rural experience in China, consider visiting Fangxiang Township in Leishan County of Guizhou Province. The warm hospitality of the locals and the stunning natural beauty of the area will make it a trip to remember. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and share my videos. Thank you for watching.